If you work with Excel, you've probably already encountered a file type known as CSV. This stands for comma separated values, and as the name suggests, it means that the values in the file, so if we open example 1 right here, these values, these cells are all separated by a comma. You don't really see it in Excel here, but if you close this window and then right click the CSV and then open it in Notepad, you'll see that indeed there's a comma separating. That's simple enough. Now, what if we open up this example 2 here? Here you'll notice that there's semicolons, and it's not recognizing the cells properly. Why is that? So if we close this and then look at it under Notepad, you'll see that indeed semicolons are there, but it's not interpreting it correctly because Excel assumes that a CSV means it's comma separated value, separated by commas. That's very logical. So to communicate a difference like this, what we have to do is alter the file, write sep equals semicolon, right? So where semicolon is the character that's going to be delimiting the values. I'm going to press save, close this, and then double click the CSV. And there you go, now it understands. Now there's ways of changing the default delimiter, but I don't recommend this if you just every now and then need to deal with another format. You might as well just edit the file, add a sep call at the top, and then you know that that file will always open correctly in Excel.